Is there a good way to control patches of Bermuda grass in my tall fescue lawn? I already tried ortho grass be gone, but the herbicide killed the fescue grass as well as the Bermuda grass with only one application. This is James in Wilson County, Tennessee, Lebanon. All right, Tennessee, how about that? So what do you think about that? Trying to control Bermuda grass in tall fescue lawn. Can it be done?
It can be done.
Yes.
There are a chemical that you can use, ornament, can be used and sprayed. But also I look at height that I'm cutting that fescue grass. You could be cutting it so short that fescue doesn't need to be sheared in the summertime. And the Bermuda's outgrowing the fescue. So you want to cut that fescue higher so it becomes more competitive against the Bermuda grass as it's growing on that.
I would agree with that. So I always like to talk culturally first. Right, so thick stand of tall fescue would definitely help. Mowing height, I think you might be cutting it too low, right? Which you just mentioned that, right? And of course, fertilizing according to your soil test. So I like to start culturally first. Can you use a product? Yes. I'm surprised that the ortho grass be gone worked to perfection almost, all right? But it is a product that is recommended, but ornament, it contains fluazaflop, which is the active ingredient. Read and follow the label. That should work for you. And it's something that we actually do recommend that you use because you can spray it over the top, of course, your tall fescue. It will not harm the tall fescue. All right. So again, read and follow the label on that ornament, and I think you will be fine. And that will definitely remove the Bermuda grass because it is a grassy weed. And of course, ornament targets grassy weeds, annuals and perennial grassy weeds. All right, so that should work for you, Mr. James. But I'm surprised after one application.
He killed
all of it. So make sure you read and follow the label, and I think you'll be fine. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.